Hello friends, this is Vibhor again. Since almost a year, this has been my workstation with single TFT monitor and a laptop hooked to that. So friends, I thought it's time to upgrade and I brought two of these 24 inches Samsung IPS displays. Let's unbox one of them. Then we'll go to my studio, set up one of these and see how the display goes. There is a monitor stand. I don't intend to use that because I'll be ultimately mounting both of my monitors to a VESA stand. There is a pretty thick brick for this monitor and a standard HDMI cable and a power cord. Guys, as you can see, this is pretty much a bezel-less display, like 100% bezel-less display. If you'll notice the bezel is almost negligible. So it's a very simple monitor, Samsung logo in the front, and in the back you'll have a simple HDMI in, power button. This looks like a power cable socket. This is going to be used to mount the screen on the VESA dock. So this is 75 by 75 VESA mount compatible. So let's just mount it to the stand and see how it goes. Also comes in the box is full documentation which will tell you how to mount this entire system on this. Let me read the documentation and mount it, and then we'll see how it looks like. So friends, this is the 24 inches Samsung LED monitor. Now this is an IPS display, as I already said. This has got a AMD FreeSync inbuilt. That means all your games which has got AMD graphics, they're gonna run like pretty smooth with this. This comes with a 75 Hz refresh rate and absolutely bezel-less screens. How does it look when we put two monitors side by side? Let's plug it in to my Mac and see how does it actually looks. So guys, there it is. I've set up the two panels with my MacBook Pro. Now I'll tell you guys, the unboxing was done approximately 2 months ago, and I've been using these screens for almost 2 months now. But the good part is that I've been using it for 2 months, and now I can actually give you all the pros and cons of what this display is, what crispness it can give you, and what all it actually lacks. So let's talk about the use case. If you are actually using it for your office works, like I'm using it for my home office. So if you're using it for your home office, this is perfect, guys. This is like you are not spending hefty amount of money on it. It is a 1080p display, so it's a full HD display. It's an IPS panel, so it gives you that crisp text in the background which you can work on. You can do all your scripting and everything, and all your office documents will look beautiful. If you are a creative professional and you are doing a video editing or a picture editing on this, it works fine. Like I am doing my picture editing and my video editing on this, and I've been doing it since last 2 months now. They're all good. They work fine. I've been using Final Cut Pro on this. I've made so many videos on it. Now basically what I shoot is on 1080p. So I only shoot on a full HD. I've got a Canon M50 mirrorless camera on which I'm shooting right now, and this all is on 1080p. And being a small YouTuber, I don't see that value in having a 4K video camera, and because I don't have a 4K video camera, it does not make sense for me to have a 4K monitor. Now if you are somebody who shoots in 4K, you will not purchase this monitor in the first place. But for 1080p and video editing, it's crisp, clear, and everything runs smooth on these monitors. Now if we talk about color reproduction, the color reproduction is pretty accurate. Now MacBook Pro has a Retina display which is a 2.5K HD. So definitely you see more sharpness and more crispness on your MacBook Pro, and if you compare your MacBook Pro Retina display with the display of this IPS Samsung monitor, you would see that the colors are more blushed out. But overall, if you do not compare it with a 2K or a 4K monitor, the colors are brilliant, they are excellent, they actually reproduce what the actual world colors are, and that makes that video editing and that picture editing very precise. Now, as I said, another very good thing on this monitor is the bezel. The bezel is pretty much not there. So when you are working on these monitors, you do not see that ugly looking black bezel on the side, and you can actually immerse in that viewing experience which you would always love. Also guys, the viewing angles of this monitor are pretty accurate. So when I'm tired of work, I can just put Netflix on one of the monitors and can watch a movie for some time, or probably some of my favorite YouTube videos. The picturization is absolutely perfect, the colors come beautiful, and I am truly loving this experience. So guys, that was the overall review and unboxing of these Samsung monitors. Now guys, these are definitely budget monitors for your home office or for your general video editing workflows. These definitely do not intend to be the professional monitors, the 4K or the 8K monitors which are there right now in the market, and they are definitely not priced at that price. I purchased them at 198 each. For me, that's a sweet spot. I just like them as my home office monitors and my general video editing monitors. What do you think guys? Do you like these monitors? Do let me know in the comment sections below. Do like, subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in my next video guys. See ya.